Buttock augmentation with implants is similar to breast augmentation with implants. It involves placing silicone implants within the muscle of the buttock to add projection and volume. In general, I prefer to perform a Brazilian butt lift using your own fat. That involves removing fat from unwanted areas, which is the subtraction portion of the operation, and adding fat to your buttock where you need it, which is the addition portion of the operation. The advantage of a normal Brazilian butt lift is that we use your own fat to reshape your trunk, your torso and your buttock and your thighs. If you have very little fat, in other words, you're a very thin person and you want a larger buttock with more projection, implants may be your only option because you may not have enough fat for us to remove from other areas of your body. So in that case, I recommend buttock implants to achieve your goal. Buttock implants can also be used along with a Brazilian butt lift, sort of using the benefits of both procedures. So if you want a significantly larger butt or significant increase in projection, but you don't have enough extra fat to do that, we can still perform a Brazilian butt lift and use the liposuction to improve contour where we don't want fat. So we can still do liposuction of your flanks and your back around your buttock to improve the overall shape and contour. Use the fat that we get to increase the size of your buttock and improve the shape. But if that's not quite enough to get you where you want to be, we could put an implant in, or two implants in the case of a buttock, at the same time to help achieve your goals. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.